Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we are fixing the annoying error that says the Windows cannot connect to the printer. Access is denied. So let's fix this step by step. So we can start by going ahead and restarting the print spooler. So for that, hit Windows plus R and type in services.msc in here and click on OK or hit enter, and your task manager should pop up on your screen. Or services should pop up on your screen. Now within services, what you need to do is look out for print spooler. So you can select one and type in P, and you will be taken to the section. Look out for this one right here called print spooler. Right click on it and select the option of restart. This one right here. And now try connecting the printer again. And if it still does not work, let's move on. Sometimes the old drivers block the new ones, so press Windows plus R for that. And this time type in print UI.exe/s and hit enter, and you will be finding your drivers tab. You can just go over and do so. If not from there, you can just go over and go to your device manager. So you can just go over and press Windows plus X, go to your device manager, hit enter, and within there look out for printer or print queues and expand it up. Find your printer right here, right click on it and select the option of install device. After that, restart your PC and you can try adding the printer once again. Also, you can just go over and add printer using the address. So IP address, go to your settings for that, and within your settings go to the Bluetooth and devices section and click on it and find printer and scanners option from here. After that, you can select the option of adding a device. Right here, click on add device. And within here, you can look out for manually adding the device, and you can just go over and pick add a printer using TCP IP address, this one right here. And just go over and add a printer using IP address. You can select this option, click on next, and just go over and provide in the IP address of your printer, usually shown on the printer display or router, and then Windows will instantly install it with clean permissions. And that's it. You should probably fix the issue. Once you do so, access is denied error with the easiest method. So if we helped you out, hit the like and comment, and also subscribe for more tutorials.